Vice President Constantino Chiwenga was in Mutare on Wednesday when military tanks were seen in Harare. Sanapana mashuka tunoti vakomana vaya vachichinisa general vachiti aiwa general vakanga vari kumutare aiwa kufuneral vakaitika zvese izvi and he was not part of zviri kutaurwa nevanhu vachinzi aiwa matingasi ari kuonekwa muguta aiwa ndigenerali vadeploya kana kuita sei. Sendapinda mashuka mudanyorwa pana global subscribe like out on the bell icon. Tipinda pana pamuzimba mudanyora chiti Chiwenga was attending the funeral of Sekuru Leonard Mwatambadini Kashiri, the father-in-law of ZANU-PF national chairman, the Minister of Defense, Upamchunguri Kashiri. Rumors circulated that Chiwenga could have been responsible for deploying more than 20 army tanks onto the streets of Harare to intimidate President E.D. Mnangagwa as the two battled for control of ZANU-PF. More than 20 military tanks were spotted in Harare's Borodo area, fueling speculation about a possible coup, especially amid deepening divisions within the ruling party. The sudden and unusual movement of military hardware mirrors events leading up to the 2017 coup when soldiers were first seen patrolling streets before tanks were deployed to strategic locations, including parliament and police stations. Adding to the anxiety, recent remarks by war veteran and ZANU-PF Central Committee member Blessed Geza have intensified speculation. Geza, a former liberation war fighter with deep military connections, has publicly declared that war veterans will take drastic steps to remove Mnangagwa. His ultimatum has fueled speculation that a military faction loyal to Chiwenga may be prepared to take action against the president. Reports suggest that senior military officials and war veterans have held secret meetings to strategize ways to block Mnangagwa's bid to extend his rule beyond his current term under the controversial 2030 agenda. Ndomashikwana mudanyorwa panapa navakomana vachiti aiwa panguva inoi kunyange zvazvo maevents ari kuitika aya ari kutowedzera chaos pamusoro petension yagara iripo. Vanenge vachidefenda general vachiti aiwa he was not involved pane zvese zvamuri kuona izvi mamilitary tengasi ari kuonekwa nepublic. Tudze mafunguro enyu matikuti pamusoro pechiitiko ichi pinda comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.